In the early days of the internet, applications ran on individual networks, making them unable to interact with one another. Fast forward to today, and the decentralized world has cornered itself into a similar issue: different ecosystems with poor interoperability. Although there are some solutions out there today, such as Polkadot or even Polygon, there's still a handful of problems left to be solved. But luckily, that's exactly what today's video sponsor Nervos Network is focused on, by offering a suite of integrated solutions that allow developers to build universal apps. For starters, the Nervos Common Knowledge Base, or CKB for short, is the layer 1 proof of work public permissionless blockchain protocol on the Nervos network. It allows any crypto asset to be stored with the security, immutability, and in a permissionless nature like Bitcoin, while also enabling smart contracts and layer 2 scaling. Since their mainnet launch in 2019, the Nervos team has been working non-stop to expand the ecosystem to new heights. Over the last few months alone, several new secure, scalable solutions have gone live, such as Polyjuice, a 100% EVM-compatible Ethereum on CKB solution. This solution allows developers to import their existing apps running on Ethereum to Nervos with minimal effort and not incurring too much development cost due to code migration and not needing to write a new set of code for the same logic. Godwoken is another solution and is an EVM-compatible layer 2 built on Nervos layer 1. This multi-chain solution provides instant transaction finality with low fees in a completely Ethereum-compatible environment on Nervos. Furthermore, cross-chain bridges are nothing new, but Nervos Force Bridge is different from other Ethereum bridges, as most Ethereum bridges require users to complete several steps before moving an asset, such as deploying a new asset on the target chain, registering the address on Ethereum, and specifying the relationship between transferring assets. With Force Bridge, users only have to deploy the ERC20 contract to begin the movement of assets to a user or a dApp, as the bridge supports all ERC20 contracts automatically. And for the end user, Force Bridge is a cross-chain bridge that allows for seamless transactions between the Nervos ecosystem and other public chains, with current support for Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and Cardano, Matic, and Avalanche in the near future. Nervos is focused on casting a wide net for the DeFi community to benefit from their solutions. This is why they're prioritizing chain integration so heavily. Next, we have Yokai Swap, which was the first DEX to launch on Nervos, offering multi-chain swapping and yield farming. This marks the first time users can move their CKB token assets on-chain and earn APY through incentive programs. The launch of Yokai Swap is also expected to pave the way for other major DeFi players to join Nervos in the future and provide even more opportunities and incentives for users. Speaking of opportunities, the Nervos native token CKByte, or CKB for short, is the token that fuels the Nervos network. CKB ticks the boxes to be used as a medium of exchange as well as a store of value. You can use CKB in executing your smart contracts or for use in dApps and even renting out space in the blockchain. And with the Nervos DAO, users can lock CK bytes that are currently unused in order to receive rewards from secondary issuance in a totally permissionless, decentralized, and trustless way. So, we have a plethora of useful dApps on mainnet, but what can we expect moving forward? For starters, earlier last year, Nervos announced that they would connect with Cardano, the latest project in an existing research collaboration between Nervos and IOHK. Once completed, it will be the first cross-chain bridge to Cardano, allowing users to use Nervos and Cardano's native currencies interchangeably, as well as create user-defined tokens across both blockchains. Nervos has also partnered with IOHK and several other projects to create the UTXO Alliance, an initiative created to kickstart collaboration with individuals and organizations to make the UTXO model more scalable, secure, and interoperable. Furthermore, Nervos will continue to grow its DeFi ecosystem to meet the evolving needs of DeFi projects and developers through partnering with DeFi projects, Godwoken whitelisting programs, grant programs, and hackathons. Some developments in progress include borrowing and lending solutions and the completion of the Cardano bridge. Nervos is undoubtedly positioned to onboard the DeFi community in a big way. And as we see further dApps launched and utility for the CKB token come into fruition over the coming months, they will likely be a well-known ecosystem in the multi-chain space and take their portion of the DeFi pie. So what are your thoughts on Nervos? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you found this video informative and want to see more like this, let me know by leaving a like on the video. Thank you guys as always for watching, and I'll catch you in the next.